When you should harvest your crops. In this topic, we will discuss about crop maturity and how to prolong the life of these crops. So, let's start. The mango harvested in 3 to 5 months from the time they flower. The fruits will be ready for harvest in April to May from a plant flowered during October to November. The mango fruits should be harvested at green mature stage. Mango fruit matures in 100 to 150 days after flowering. Steps to prolong the life of mango. First is keep at room temperature. Second, it could be pre-cooling, chemical treatments, and low temperature. Third is preventing chilling injury. And fourth is applying calcium infiltration. Bananas are grown and harvested all year round and ready to harvest 8 to 10 months after planting. A bunch usually takes 90 to 120 days to mature after shooting, depending on climate and cultural practices. Steps to prolong the life of bananas. Store them in a cool, shady area, not in refrigerator, which will damage them. Also, don't cover them with plastic as that can trap the ethylene gas they give off and speed up the ripening process too rapidly. Harvest larger mature potatoes 2 to 3 weeks after plants stop flowering and the foliage has died back, then cut the brown foliage. It takes 90 to 120 days to mature after emergence. Then the potatoes are ready to harvest. Storing of potatoes. First, store raw potatoes in a cool place. Second is keep away from light. Storing potatoes in the dark prevents them from turning green and developing a high solanine content. Third is don't store raw potatoes in the fridge or freezer. Raw potatoes should not be kept in the refrigerator as cold temperatures increase the amounts of reducing sugars and make them more carcinogenic when fried or roasted. They should also not be frozen as they will become mushy and brown after defrosting. Fourth is place in an open bowl or paper bag. To help your potatoes last longer, keep them in an open bowl, paper bag, or another container with holes for ventilation. This helps prevent moisture accumulation, which leads to spoiling. Fifth is don't wash before storing. Potatoes will last much longer if they remain dry during storage and not washed until they're ready to be used. Washing with a salt or vinegar solution can help remove more pesticide residue than water alone. 6 is keep away from other produce. Store potatoes away from ripening produce, especially bananas, tomatoes, and onions, since the ethylene gas they release can make the potatoes sprout more quickly. And that's all for today.